That boot will not fit me. The witch had a broom. The moon is up in the sky. We swim in that cool pool. Did Jack shoot the goose? I use a shampoo for dry hair. It will soon be time for school. I like the smell of this shampoo. The balloon went up on the roof. I like to see the camel in the zoo. Moll left the toolbox in the shed. We all help to tidy the classroom. Shane will fix the slate on the roof. Dad is in a bad mood all day long. Put that small spoon in the jam pot. My class will visit the zoo next week. I will keep the food cool in this room.